Hello everyone, welcome to Premier Math. Today we are going to discuss SSC CGL previous year questions. We will be solving all these questions using speed matrix. So let's start our session. Our first question is, in the quadrilateral ABCD, bisectors of angle C and D meet at point E. If angle CED is 57, angle A is 47, then the measure of angle B is. Here, this is quadrilateral ABCD. And here bisectors of angle C and D meet at point E, and this angle is 57 degree and angle A is 47 degree. Then we have to find out what is angle B. Here we have a short trick, that is angle A plus angle B is equal to double of 57 into 2. Then angle B is equal to 114 minus angle A is 47. So 114 minus 47 is equal to 100 minus 33, that is 67 degree. So option 2 is your answer. That is, there is a concept here. If you look at this is triangle created by this bisectors. Now sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree. If I take angle D as X and angle C as Y, then X by 2 plus Y by 2 plus 57 is 180 degree. That is X plus Y by 2 plus 57 is 180 degree. Now I can write it as X plus Y plus 2 into 57 is 2 into 180, 360 degree. Now sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. That is A plus B plus C plus D is 360 degree. A plus B plus C plus D, I can write it as X plus Y. That is, when you equate these two, that is sum of these two is equal to 360, then I can equate it. Then if you cancel X plus Y from both the sides, you can see A plus B is equal to 2 into 57. A plus B is equal to 2 into 57. That is, double of 57 is equal to A plus B when this 57 is created by bisectors of C and D. Find the value of following. Here bracket order in BODMAS rule is this one. So solve this bracket first. In that, here 3 minus 8 is minus 5 and minus of minus 5 will become plus 5. And here 12 minus 9 is 3. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. And here 18 by 6 is equal to 3. So 3 into 5 is equal to 9 into 5, 45. 45 plus 5 is equal to 50. So this bracket will become 50. And here you have 5 of 2 means 5 into 2, 10. 40 by 10 is equal to 4. So 4 into 50 divided by 25. This will become 4 into 2, 8. So option 3 is your answer. A can complete 25% of work in 15 days. If he works for 15 days and B alone finishes the remaining work in 30 days. In how many days A and B working together finish 50% of the same work? Here 25% means 1 by 4th of the work. So 1 by 4th of the work finished by A in 15 days. Then A can finish a work in 15 into 4, 60 days. Now remaining work means 1 minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4th of the work. 3 by 4th of the work finished by B in 30 days. Which means B can finish a work in 40 days. That is, 3 goes 10 times in 30. So 1 work will finish in 40 days. Now take the LCM. LCM is equal to 120. 60 goes 2 times in 120. 40 goes 3 times in 120. Total work is 120 unit. And A can finish 2 unit of work in a day. B can finish 3 unit of work in a day. That is, work finished by A and B in 1 day is 2 plus 3, 5 unit. Now we need 50% of the work. So 50% of work is equal to 60 unit, half of 120. And in 1 day, A and B can finish 5 unit of work. So total number of days to finish 60 unit of work is equal to 60 by 5, 12 days. Option 3 is your answer. A and B start a business. A invests 33 and 1 by 3% of the total capital and B invests the remaining. If the total profit at the end of the year is 1,62,000, then B's share is. Here A inverse 33 and 1 by 3 percentage means 33 into 3 is 99. 99 plus 1 is 100. So 100 by 3 percentage means 100 by 300. That is A inverse 100 part out of this 300 part. So total investment is 300 part. And out of this 300, A invest 100 part. That means remaining 200 part invested by B. So B's share is equal to 2 part out of this 3 part. That is 200 part out of this 300 part into profit generated is equal to 1,62,000. Now 3 goes 5 times in 50, 3 goes 4 times in 12. 54 into 2 is 108. So 108,000 is the B's share. Option 1 is your answer. A shopkeeper marks his goods at price 20% higher than their cost price and allows 10% discount on every item. Find his gain percentage. Here, consider 100 rupees as the cost price. Then mark price means 20% higher than cost price. That is 100 plus 20, 120. Now, sell prices, he give 10% discount on mark price. So, 10% of 120 is 12. 120 minus 12 is equal to 108 is the selling price, which means here profit is equal to 108 minus 100, 8%. Option 4 is your answer. 6 bells begin to toll together and tolls respectively at intervals of 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 and 12 seconds. After how many seconds will they toll together again? Just take the LCM of given numbers. That is LCM of 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 and 12. Here 3, 4, 6 are factors of 12. So consider 7, 8, 12. 7 into 12 is 84. But 8 is not a factor of 84. So take the double of 84. That is 168. Option 2 is your answer. The angle of elevation of top of tall building from the points M and N at the distances of 72 meter and 128 meter respectively from the base of the building and in the same straight line with it are complementary. The height of the building is. Here consider this as height of the building H. Now from 2 points M and N. This is M at a distance of 72 meter and this is N at a distance of 128 meter. Now, angle of elevation from these 2 points to the top of the building are complementary. Complementary means sum of these 2 angles should be 90 degree. Now, if I take this angle as theta, this angle should be 90 minus theta. Now, take tan of theta. Tan theta from the smaller triangle is equal to H by 72. Then tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta from this larger triangle is H by 128. Now tan 90 minus theta means cot theta. So cot theta means 1 by tan theta is equal to H by 128. Then tan theta is equal to 128 by H. 128 by H. Now from this H square is equal to 128 into 72. Then H is equal to root of 128 into 72. Now 128 is equal to 64 into 2 and 72 is equal to 12 into 6. So H from this is equal to root 64 is equal to 8 and this is 6 into 2, 12. So root 12 square is equal to 12. 8 into 12 is equal to 96. So option 2 is your answer. Height of building is 96. The simple interest on certain sum is 1/8 of the sum. When number of years is equal to the half of the rate percentage per annum, find the simple interest on rupees 15,000 at the same rate for 8 years. Here, simple interest is 1/8 of the sum means 1/8 is 12.5%. That is 1/4 is 25%. Then 1/8 is 12.5%. So here simple interest is 12.5% means if 100 rupees is the sum, 12.5 rupees is the simple interest generated at the end of 1 year. So this 12.5 rupees generated at R rate for T years. That is, here number of years is equal to half of the rate percentage. T is equal to R by 2. Then substitute T. That is, T is equal to R by 2 here. So here R square by 2 is equal to 12.5 means R square is equal to 25. Then R is equal to 5. R is equal to 5 percentage means for 1 year 5 percentage is the rate. Then for 8 years 8 into 5 40 percentage is the rate. So simple interest for 8 years is equal to 40 percentage of the sum 15,000. Now percentage and 00 cancel. 15 into 4 is equal to 60. 6,000 is the interest generated for 8 years. Option 3 is your answer. What is the average of all prime numbers between 70 and 90? Here, prime numbers between 70 and 90 is equal to 71, 73, 79, 83. 87 is a multiple of 3. So 89. Now, if I take 79 as the average of these 5 numbers, now 71 is 8 less than 79, 73 is 6 less than 79, 83 is 4 greater than 79 and 89 is 10 greater than 79. Now 8 plus 6 14. So minus 14 and here 10 plus 4 14 plus 14 which means 79 is the average. Option 3 is your answer. That is here difference minus 14 plus 14 is 0. That is difference is 0. So 79 is the average of these 5 numbers. In triangle ABC, angle A is 88 degree. If I is the incenter of the triangle, then the measure of angle BIC is. Here, this is the triangle ABC. Angle A is 88 degree and I is incenter means intersection of bisectors of these 3 angles. So, these 2 are bisectors. Then, angle BAC is equal to, there is a short trick. If these 2 are bisectors, angle BAC is 90 plus half of angle A. That is, half of 88 is 44. So, 90 plus 44 is equal to 134. Option 2 is your answer. If you don't know this short trick, you can apply the concept. That is, in large triangle, angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 minus 88. That is 92 degree. And in smaller triangle, from the smaller triangle, angle BAC is equal to sum of angle is 180. So 180 minus these 2 angles. These 2 angles are half of B and C. So 180 minus half of B plus C is equal to 92 by 2. Now 180 minus 46 is 134 degree. So in this way you can also find. Here find the value of A plus B minus 7C. Here take RHS to LHS and write A terms together. That is A square. This is minus 2A. So this will become plus 2A. Now B square. This is plus 2B. So this will become minus 2B. And remaining 49C square. This is minus 56C. So this will become plus 56C. So plus 80 which is equal to 0. Now A square plus 2A. I can write it as A plus 1D whole square. A plus 1D whole square is A square plus 2A plus 1. So I'll write 18 as 17 plus 1. Now B square minus 2B. I can write it as B minus 1D whole square. That is B minus 1 the whole square is B square minus 2B plus 1. So 17 I can write it as 16 plus 1. Now remaining is 49C square plus 56C. 49C square means 7C square. So 2 into 7 is 14. 14 into 4 is 56. So 7C plus 4 the whole square is 49C square plus 56C plus 4 square is 16. Now this whole term will become A plus 1 the whole square plus B minus 1 the whole square plus 7C plus 4 the whole square is equal to 0. Then if this whole term is 0, then each term must be 0. Each term must be 0, which means a plus 1 the whole square is 0. So a plus 1 is 0 means a is equal to minus 1. B minus 1 is 0 means b is equal to plus 1. 7c plus 4 is 0 means 7c is equal to minus 4. So c is equal to minus 4 by 7. Now put the value of a, b and c in a plus b minus 7c. So here a plus b cancel, remaining is minus 7c. So minus 7 into minus 4 by 7 is equal to plus 4. Option 1 is your answer. The value of 1 plus root cot theta plus cos theta divided by cot theta minus cos theta is equal to. Here cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. So I can take cos theta outside. So this will become 1 plus root of, take cos theta outside. Cos theta into 1 by sin theta plus 1. In denominator you have cos theta into 1 by sin theta minus 1. Now cos theta and cos theta cancel. Here this will become root of 1 plus sin theta by sin theta. So 1 plus sin theta by sin theta. But in denominator the sin theta will cancel each other. So this will become 1 minus sin theta. 1 minus sin theta. Sin theta in the denominator cancel. Now if I multiply 1 minus sin theta with 1 plus sin theta, this will in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So I should multiply 1 plus sin theta in the numerator as well. Now this will become 1 plus root of 1 plus sin theta the whole square is equal to 1 plus sin theta. Now in denominator this is 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta, which is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, which is cos square theta. So root of cos square theta is equal to cos theta in the denominator. Now I can write this as 1 by cos theta is equal to sec theta and sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. That is option 4 is your answer. 1 plus sec theta plus tan theta. If the volume of sphere is equal to that of cylinder having the same radius, then find the ratio of radius to the height of the cylinder. Here volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube and volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Radius is same. So cancel pi r square. We need radius to height ratio, which is equal to 3:4. So option 3 is your answer. The value of 1 minus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta the whole square minus 1 is equal to. Cot theta is 1 by tan theta. So 1 minus 1 by tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta the whole square minus 1 is equal to. This will become tan theta minus 1. So tan theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. Tan theta minus 1 divided by tan theta, and here 1 minus tan theta in the denominator will come in the denominator. So this will become, here this is 1 minus tan theta and this is tan theta minus 1. So if I take minus outside from this numerator, this will become minus tan theta plus 1. That is, take minus outside. Take minus outside. So tan theta will become minus tan theta and minus 1 will become plus 1. Now you can see this is 1 minus tan theta and this is 1 minus tan theta. So cancel each other. So here you have minus 1 by tan theta. 1 by tan theta is equal to cot theta. So minus cot theta the square is equal to cot square theta. So your answer is cot square theta minus 1. So option 3 is your answer. Sides AB and AC of triangle ABC are produced at point D and E respectively. The bisectors of angle CBD and BCE meet at P. If angle A is 78 degrees, then the measure of angle P is. Here, this is the triangle ABC. And AB and AC produced to D and E. AB produced to D and AC produced to E. Now, bisectors of angle CBD and BCE. This is angle CBD and this is angle BCE. Now bisectors of these two meets at point P. This is point P. And here angle A is 78 degree. Then we have to find out what is angle P here. Now consider this as angle X and this as angle Y. Then from this larger triangle, X plus Y is equal to 180 minus 78, 102 degree. And here if this angle is X, then this whole angle is equal to 180 minus X and this whole angle is equal to 180 minus Y. Now angle P is equal to 180 minus, that is, if you consider this lower triangle, angle P is equal to 180 minus sum of other two angles. Sum of other two angles means this whole angle is 180 minus X. So this divides equally by this bisector. So inside angle is equal to 180 minus X by 2. Here this is equal to 180 minus Y by 2 because these two are bisectors. So sum of other two angles is equal to 180 minus X plus 180 minus Y divided by 2. Now this is equal to 360 minus X plus Y. X plus Y is equal to 102. So 360 minus 102 is equal to 258. Then 250 by 2 is equal to 129. Then 180 minus 129 is equal to 51. So option 1 is your answer. A and B started their journey from X to Y and Y to X respectively. After crossing each other, A and B completed remaining part of their journey in 6 and 1 by 8 hours and 8 hours respectively. If the speed of A is 32 km per hour, then speed in km per hour of B is. Here, A and B travel the same distance, that is from X to Y and Y to X, and they have a meeting point. In that case, speed of A by speed of B is equal to root of time taken by B after the meeting point and time taken by A after the meeting point. That is, speed ratio is inversely proportional to square root of time ratio after the meeting point. So here speed of A is 32 and speed of B we have to find, which is equal to root of time taken by B is 8 hours and time taken by A is 6 and 8 hours. That is 6 into 8, 48, 48 plus 1, 49. So 49 by 8. Now this is equal to 8 square by 49. Root of 8 square by 49 is equal to 8 by 7. Now 8 goes 4 times in 32. So speed of B is equal to 7 into 4, 28 km per hour. So option 2 is your answer. A cyclic quadrilateral ABC is drawn in a circle with center O. A and C are joined to O. If angle ABC is 2P and angle ADC is 3P, what is the measure of angle AOC reflex? Reflex angle means greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Now, this is circle with center O. And this is cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. Here angle ABC, this angle is 2P and angle ADC, this angle is 3P. And in cyclic quadrilateral, sum of opposite angles is equal to 180 degree. That is 3P plus 2P is equal to 5P, which is 180 degree. 5 goes 3 times in 18, 5 goes 6 times in 30. So P is equal to 36 degree. Now, angle AOC is created at the center of the circle. This is center O. Angle AOC is created at the center of the circle by this arc AC. So this is angle AOC. Now the same arc can create half of this angle AOC at the remaining part of the circumference of the circle. Now point B is on the remaining part of the circumference of the circle, which means this angle is equal to half of this angle AOC. That is 2P is half of AOC. Then AOC is equal to double of 2P, that is 4P. Now we need reflex angle. Reflex angle is equal to, if P is equal to 36 degree, then 10P is equal to 360, which means here if this is 4P, then this must be, reflex must be 6P. So 6p is equal to 6 into 36, that is 216 degree. So option 4 is your answer. If 8k5146b is divisible by 88, then what is the value of b minus a? When a number is divisible by 88, it should be divisible by both 11 and 8. When a number is divisible by 8, its last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. That is, here 46b should be divisible by 8 means 8 goes 5 times in 40, remaining 6b. So b must be 4 here. That is, 8 goes 8 times in 64. So 8a5146, b is equal to 4 here. Should be divisible by 11 means check the divisibility rule of 11. So take odd place sum and even place sum. Odd place sum is 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 8 21. Even place sum is 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 8. Now to be divisible by 11, odd place sum minus even place sum should be 0 or 11. That is, 21 minus 7 plus 8 should be 0 or 11 means 21 minus 7 is equal to 14. So 14 minus a should be 0 or 11 means if I take 14 minus a as 0, a should be 14, and if I take 14 minus a as 11, a should be 3. But here we need b minus a. B is equal to 4. And if I take a as 14, 4 minus 14 is not in the option. So a is not 14. So take a as 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1 is an option. Option 3 is your answer. So b minus a is equal to 1. Here, what is the value of ABC minus 3? If you know this formula, you can directly write the answer. No need to write this. You can directly write it. That is, here a cube plus b cube plus c cube is 189. So 189 minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c is 6. 6 into 6 square minus 3 into ab plus bc plus ca. Here a plus b plus c the whole square is 6 square. So 6 square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square, that is 32, plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. Now from this is 36 and this is 32. So remaining term should be 4. If this is 2, this term must be 2. That is, here AB plus BC plus CA is 2. Then 3 into 2 is 6. So 36 minus 6 is equal to 30. 30 into 6 is 180. 189 minus 180 is equal to 9. So 3ABC is equal to 9 means ABC is equal to 3 here. So put the value of ABC as 3. Then this will become 3 minus 3, 0. So option 4 is your answer. ABC minus 3 is 0. The cost prices of two articles A and B are in the ratio 4:5. While selling these articles, the shopkeeper gains 10% on article A and 20% on article B. And the difference in their selling prices is rupees 480. The difference in the cost price of articles B and A is, here cost prices are in the ratio 4:5. I'll take it as 400:500. Cost price of A is 400, cost price of B is 500. Then shopkeeper gains 10% on article A. So 10% means 10% of 400 is 40. So 400 plus 40 is 440 is the selling price of article A. Now shopkeeper gains 20% on article B. 20% of 500 is 10% is 50. So 20% is 100. So 500 plus 100 is equal to 600 is the selling price of article B. Now here question says difference in selling price is 480. That is, here difference in ratio is equal to 600 minus 440, that is 160 part. So this 160 part is given as 480 in the question. Now 0 cancel, 16 goes 3 times in 480. So 1 part is equal to 3 means here we need what is the difference between cost prices. Here difference in ratio of cost price is equal to 500 minus 400, that is 100 part. Now 100 part is equal to 100 into 3, 300. 1 part is 3 means 100 part is 300. So difference is equal to 300. Option 2 is your answer. So difference between cost prices is 300. 11 by 5 of a number A is 22% of number B. The number B is equal to 2.5% of third number C. If the value of C is 5500, then the sum of 80% of A and 40% of B is. Here 11 by 5 means 2.2. So 2.2 of A is equal to 22% of B. 22% means 22 by 100, that is 0.22 of B. Now 0.22 goes 10 times in 2.2. So A by B ratio is equal to 1 by 10. That is, if A is 1 part, then B is 10 part. Now, B is equal to 2.5% of C. B is equal to 2.5% of C. 25 goes 4 times in 100. So 2.5 goes 40 times in 100. So B by C ratio is equal to 1 by 40. But here B is 10 part. So if I multiply numerator and denominator with 10, then B is equal to 10 part and C is equal to 400 part. So C is 400 part. But here in question C is given as 5500, which means this 400 part is equal to 5500. Then 4 part is equal to 55. If 4 part is 55, 1 part is 55 by 4. Then 80% of A means 0.8. 0.8 into 1 part. A is equal to 1 part. 1 part is 55 by 4 plus 40% of B. 40% is 0.4. B is equal to 10 part. 10 part is equal to, if 1 part is 55 by 4, then 10 part is 550 by 4. Now, 4 cancel. Here, 4 goes 0.2 times in 0.8. So 55 into 0.2 is equal to 11, and here remaining is 55. So 55 plus 11 is equal to 66. So your answer is option 4. The given histogram represents marks of students in mathematics test of certain class. The total number of students is 350 and maximum marks of the test are 200. What is the class average of mathematics? Here x-axis shows marks and y-axis shows number of students. Now total number of students is 350 and we need sum of marks of 350 students. Here 10 students average mark is between 20 and 40. So take the middle number, that is 30 is between 20 and 40. So 10 students average mark is 30. Now sum of 10 students mark is equal to 10 into 30, 300. Now follow the same procedure. 18 into 50 is 18 into 5, 90. So 900. 32 into 70. 7 into 2, 14. 7 into 3, 21 plus 1, 22. Now 45 into 90. 45 into 90 means 9 into 5, 45. 9 into 4, 36 plus 4, 40. 60 into 110 means 6600. And 75 into 130 means 75 into 100 is 7500 plus 75 into 30. 75 into 3 is 225. So 2250 is 75 into 30. Now 55 into 150. 55 into 100 is 5500 plus 55 into 50. 5 into 5, 55. 2 remaining, 5 into 5 plus 2, 27. Now 40 into 170. 17 into 4 is 68. So 6800. 15 into 190. 15 into 100 is equal to 1500 plus 15 into 90. 9 into 5, 45. 4 remaining. 9 into 1 plus 4, 13. Now add the sum. To get the sum, first add 2 digit at a time. That is 50 plus 50, 100. 100 plus 50, 150. 150 plus 50, 200. 200 plus 40, 240. 40 at the end and 2 carries. Now add the third digit. 3 plus 5, 8 plus 8, 16 plus 5, 21 plus 7, 28 plus 2, 30 plus 5, 35 plus 6, 41. 41 plus 2, 43. 43 plus 3, 46. 46 plus 9, 55. 55 plus 2, 57. 5 carries. Add the last digit. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 7, 15 plus 9, 24 plus 6, 30. 30 plus 4, 34 plus 36. 36 plus 5, 41. Now here 0 and 0 cancel. 35 goes 1 time in 41, remaining 6. 35 goes 1 time in 67, remaining 32. So 35 goes 10 times in 350. Here remaining is 324. So 34 goes around 9 times in 324. So here your answer is option 1, 190. Here question asks, in which state the number of youth more than the average number of youth in 5 states? Here youth shows this gray pattern. X-axis shows states and Y-axis shows population. Now average youth in 5 states is equal to 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 9, 39, 39 plus 11.5, 50.5. So 50.5 by 5 is equal to 10.1. So we need states with more than 10.1 population, which is equal to state A and state C. So option 2 is your answer. Here, number of employees working in different offices given in this pie chart. Total number of employees is 2400. In which office is the number of employees is 600. So 600 is equal to x degree out of this 360 degree into total number of employees is 2400. 600 goes 4 times in 2400. 4 goes 90 times in 360. So x degree is 90 degree means here office D has 90 degree people. So option 4 is your answer. Here, number of students enrolled in Camp A in 2016 and 19 together is what percentage of number of students enrolled in Camp B in 2015 and 17 together? X-axis shows years and Y-axis shows number of students enrolled. Camp A is orange color and Camp B is yellow color. Now, we need Camp A in 2016 and 19. So, this is 16 and this is 19. Camp A means 140 plus 180. 140 plus 180 is equal to 320. And Camp B in 2015 and 17. This is 15 and this is 17. So 240 plus 260 is 500. So our question is 320 is what percentage of 500? 320 is what percentage of 500 means 5 goes 6 times in 30, 5 goes 4 times in 20. So option 1 is your answer.